Hi, if you're wondering how to set up Android Auto on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, let me show you. Firstly, just open Settings, then go in the Connected Devices, and now scroll a bit to see the Android Auto. After that, to connect a car, you will need to use this blue option, and you will see some on-screen instructions that to get started, just plug your phone into the vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port, or you can connect it wirelessly if you have 2021 or newer cars. After that, you can check previously connected cars. Here you can make some adjustments as enabling or disable these features: start Android Auto automatically, start while locked, start music automatically, and here you can set the Hey Google and Google Assistant. After that, you can enable to show message notifications, which is really useful, show group conversations, and play message chime. And also, here you can set driver seat location. You can leave default like I did, or you can switch to the left or right. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.